So I got 3,000 plus views on one of my videos on my first YouTube channel. But how much did YouTube actually pay me for these 3,000 plus views? Was it worth it? Let's find out. In case you're meeting me for the very first time, my name is Popka Innocent, and I create valuable videos on how you can create, grow, and monetize your YouTube channel. So if you're interested in growing and monetizing your YouTube channel, then go ahead and like this video. Just click on the like button below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss my next valuable video. Today, I want to take you behind the scenes of my YouTube earnings. A lot of YouTube beginners think that the moment you monetize your YouTube channel, you're going to be packing thousands of dollars and become a millionaire overnight. But is this really true? I will show you the earnings proof and everything in this video. But before I reveal the exact amount I was paid for 3,000 plus views on this particular video, I want you to guess the amount in the comment section below. So right here is the video. Now let me just take you to the video statistics and show you the details of this video. So far this video has gotten 3,030 views since it was published. I will tell you how much this video has generated. You can see the number of views right here. This is the watch time. It has gotten 74.9 hours watch time. Now let's go to the estimated revenue. This video at 3,000 views, it has given me $206.56. This is unlike some of my videos. For some videos, 20,000 views will not even give you up to this $206, not to talk of 3,000 views. That is unusual, but there are some factors that resulted to this high CPM and RPM. Now let us go to the audience. Let's see the type of people that watch this particular video so that you see what resulted to the high CPM and RPM. I will show you the top geography, which also contributed to why that revenue was high. Okay, from people who watch, you will understand that many did not subscribe, or 85.9 did not subscribe, and those who subscribed were 14.2%. Okay, now if you scroll down further, you will notice that majority of people who watch, 27.9% of people who watch, were from the United States. Now this is why the revenue, the CPM RPM, is high. You see that majority came from United States, followed by Nigerians, and next is Canada. So you will see that people who are from America and European countries give high RPM. So if your top viewers are from America and Europe, you see that you are going to earn more. Then another thing is the age bracket. Majority of people who watch this video were female, followed by male, right? Then if you go to the age bracket, those who watch this video were from the age of 25 to 54. Okay, you will see that right here. Now let's go to the revenue. Let me show you the RPM of this video and the CPM. This is the earning progress of the video. It progressed that way and it has been going upwards. If you scroll downwards, you see where this money was earned from, which was from page ads. Okay, here is the amount right here. Now let's go to the important thing, which is the RPM and CPM of this video. Before it was able to give the total revenue, that is to tell you that the RPM and the CPM is high. That is how much advertisers are willing to pay, and my own percentage from what advertisers are willing to pay for showing their ads on this video. Right here is the RPM. This RPM is what I'm going to be earning from how much advertisers are willing to pay for each 1,000 views this video gets. Now let me show you the CPM. This is how much advertisers are willing to pay for every 1K views that this video gets. Advertisers are willing to pay $106. That is the playback based cost per every 1K views. That is what they call CPM, cost per mile. Okay, so if advertisers are willing to pay this for every 1K view, this is what I'm going to be getting. Look at it. This is the RPM, which is usually 55%. Okay, so my RPM for every 1K views is going to be $68.22. Do you see why the earnings on this particular video is very high? That is for 1K views. So multiply by 3K views that this video has generated so far, and this is where the earnings by ad type comes from: skippable video ads, display ads, bomber ad, non-skippable ads, and unknown. Okay, so this is the source of the ad revenue. Please take note, results are typical. I'm not saying that all my videos generate this high. There are some of my videos that generate far below this, and there are some that generate high. Okay, another thing that also determines this high revenue is your niche. So if you want your video to get high CPM, I will suggest that you start creating videos on topics topics that have high CPM depending on your niche. The second way you can earn higher on your videos is by creating longer form videos, because the longer your videos, more ads are placed in between your videos. Unlike videos that are less than 8 minutes, where you can have ad placement at the beginning or possibly at the end or in between your videos, which is usually just one place. Thirdly, ensure that you create videos that attract Americans and European audience. That way, your video will tend to pay more and have higher CPM because of your audience location. All this depends on your niche and what your channel is about. If you have any question concerning how you can grow your YouTube channel, drop the comment below and I will reply to your questions.